Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to find out which version of Google Chrome you are using. Knowing your Chrome version is essential for ensuring compatibility with websites and extensions, as well as for troubleshooting any issues. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. If you're using a computer, you can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. If you're on a mobile device, just tap the Chrome app to launch it. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the page you want to check. This step is optional, but it's good practice to ensure you're on the right track before diving into the settings. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This button opens a menu with various options. Click on it to reveal the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various preferences and settings for your browser. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the About Chrome section. Click on this option. It may take a moment, but Chrome will automatically check for updates while displaying your current version information. Finally, take a look at the application version displayed on this page. This number indicates which version of Google Chrome you are currently using. If there's an update available, Chrome will usually prompt you to install it right here. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Google Chrome version in just a few easy steps. Keeping your browser updated ensures that you have access to the latest features and security improvements. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.